Hello. I just wanted to quickly go over the progress of my custom space flight simulator joystick, or just any flight simulator joystick. But basically what I've done so far, I've used a model or a reference to the HOTAS, the A10 flight stick. And since this was like a solid body that I can't edit, I've tried to replicate it as the best I can. For the gimbal, I found a guy on YouTube, a guy named Bryan Howard. He's got this cool single cam design, which I was interested in because it, like he says, like keeps costs down, using less materials. But I have just made some modifications, and still am, because I'm planning on using different size bearings and springs instead of rubber bands, like he does for his prototype. I've just got some mock-up buttons. I added this pinky switch, that's pretty much set to go, but I'll probably replace this one here with that two-way hat switch, and I'll add some more things later, but it's not finished. So we'll just talk about how it mounts to the grip first. The first cam is for the twisting motion, and here we got a 10mm bearing with a 3mm inner diameter, so you can just slide in a M3 bolt into a M3 heatset insert, which will be inserted into this part here. So the way the twisting bit mounts is, I'll get the section analysis here. So there's two like regular skate type bearings, 22mm and 8mm inner diameter, and there's this hang on, let me just go to this grip a second. We got this whole assembly here, which is the part that you attach to the grip through 4 M3 screws, and there'll be heatset inserts in these sections here, and just you would slide a bearing into there and on top, and attaching it to the center like core bit, that's what it's labeled as. There's a long M8 bolt. I'll try to rework this and try to get it a little better, because right now it's just sitting there. But I think that's pretty much what I'm gonna do to hold this down, and making the twist a little more rigid, more durable. So it just attaches to the grip through these little holes here, and I'll probably, for wiring, I'll probably just create a hole out the front there and put like an extension cable that goes outside. So that's for the twist. For everything's pretty much the same. I'm just using like regular 22mm bearings for the axes, and then the same 10mm with a 3mm inner diameter for the cam bearings, or the part that makes contact with the cam. And that's pretty much it so far. I'm still reworking his design here. I still need to add the spring hooks, make everything a little bit neater. And this is pretty much the main bit that I've worked on so far. Once everything's done here and I got the parts, I'll probably start to work on some hat switches and integrate them into here somehow. But so far, everything's looking good. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And bye for now.